Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, what it is, why it matters, and how you can start building streams from scratch. Passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort once the initial setup is complete. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income lets your assets or systems work for you. Whether you're looking for financial freedom, a side hustle, or a way to supplement your main job, passive income can be a game changer. In this video, we'll break down the steps, strategies, and real-life examples to help you get started, even if you have no prior experience or capital. Let's get started. Before we jump into building streams, let's clarify what passive income really means. It's income that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Think of rental income, dividends, or royalties. But it's not magic. Most passive income streams need upfront work, investment, or both. The key is to create systems or assets that continue to generate money over time. Understanding this distinction helps set realistic expectations and keeps you motivated as you build your own streams. Remember, passive doesn't mean effortless, but it does mean scalable and sustainable over time. Let's compare active and passive income. Active income is what you earn from a job or business where your direct involvement is required. Think salaries, hourly wages, or freelance work. Passive income, on the other hand, is generated from assets or systems that don't need your constant attention. This distinction is crucial because it shapes how you approach building wealth. While active income pays the bills, passive income builds long-term security and freedom. Most people start with active income and gradually transition to passive streams as their assets grow. Why should you care about passive income? The main reason is financial freedom. With passive income, you can reduce your reliance on a single job, create multiple income streams, and gain more control over your time. It's also a powerful tool for building wealth, preparing for retirement, or achieving personal goals like travel or early retirement. Even a small passive income stream can provide peace of mind and flexibility, especially in uncertain times. The earlier you start, the more time your assets have to grow and compound. There are many myths about passive income. Some believe it's only for the rich, or that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. Others think it requires no effort at all. In reality, anyone can start building passive income regardless of background or resources. It does take time, learning, and sometimes a bit of risk. But with the right approach, you can create streams that fit your lifestyle and goals. Don't let myths hold you back. Focus on practical steps and realistic expectations. Passive income comes in many forms. Some popular types include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, peer-to-peer lending, digital products, affiliate marketing, and royalties from creative work. Each type has its own pros, cons, and requirements. The best stream for you depends on your skills, interests, and resources. In the next scenes, we'll explore these options in more detail, so you can find the right fit for your situation. One of the most well-known passive income streams is real estate. By owning rental properties, you can earn monthly income while your property appreciates in value. This approach requires upfront capital and ongoing management, but you can outsource tasks to property managers. Real estate can be a stable, long-term investment, especially in growing markets. However, it's important to research locations, understand your costs, and plan for vacancies or repairs. Dividend-paying stocks are another popular passive income source. When you invest in companies that pay regular dividends, you receive a share of their profits, usually quarterly. This stream can grow over time as you reinvest dividends and the value of your stocks increases. It's important to research companies, diversify your portfolio, and understand the risks involved. While the returns may start small, they can compound significantly over the years. Peer-to-peer lending platforms let you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a way to earn passive income with relatively low effort, but it does carry risk. Borrowers may default. To minimize risk, diversify your loans across many borrowers and research platforms carefully. Returns can be higher than traditional savings accounts, but always consider your risk tolerance before investing. Creating and selling digital products is a modern way to build passive income. Examples include ebooks, online courses, printables, or software. Once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly with little additional effort. Platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or your own website make it easy to reach a global audience. The key is to solve a real problem or provide value so your product continues to sell over time. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can do this through blogs, social media, or email lists. The more valuable your content and the larger your audience, the more you can earn. While it takes time to build an audience and trust, affiliate marketing can become a reliable passive income stream once established. If you're a creator, writer, musician, artist, you can earn passive income through royalties. Every time your book is sold, your song is streamed, or your artwork is licensed, you receive a payment. This model rewards creativity and can provide ongoing income for years. The challenge is creating work that people want and finding the right platforms to distribute it. But once your work is out there, it can generate income with little ongoing effort. Starting from scratch can feel overwhelming, but mindset is everything. Believe that you can learn, adapt, and grow. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every successful passive income builder started with zero experience at some point. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities, and don't be afraid to start small. Consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. Take stock of your current skills and interests. Are you good at writing, teaching, investing, or creating art? Your strengths can guide you toward the most suitable passive income streams. For example, writers might create ebooks, while those with financial knowledge might invest in stocks. Matching your skills to the right opportunity increases your chances of success and enjoyment. Set clear, realistic goals for your passive income journey. Decide how much you want to earn, by when, and what you're willing to invest, whether it's time, money, or both. Break your goal into smaller milestones so you can track progress and stay motivated. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small wins along the way. Do your homework before diving in. Research different passive income streams, platforms, and success stories. Read reviews, join online communities, and learn from others' experiences. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Avoid scams or unrealistic promises. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Knowledge is your best defense and your greatest asset. Don't have much money to invest? No problem. Many passive income streams require little or no upfront capital. For example, you can start a blog, create digital products, or begin affiliate marketing with minimal costs. Focus on leveraging your time, skills, and creativity. As your income grows, you can reinvest profits into higher yield opportunities. Passive income streams generally require either time or money upfront. If you have more time than money, focus on content creation, building an audience, or learning new skills. If you have capital, consider investments like real estate or dividend stocks. The right balance depends on your situation. Remember, both approaches can lead to success if you stay consistent. Pick one passive income stream to start with, based on your research, skills, and resources. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus leads to faster results and less overwhelm. Once your first stream is up and running, you can expand into others. Remember, every big journey begins with a single step. Digital assets are a powerful way to generate passive income. These include websites, blogs, YouTube channels, or online courses. Once built, they can attract visitors and generate revenue through ads, sales, or affiliate links. The key is to create valuable, evergreen content that continues to attract an audience over time. Once you have digital assets, it's time to monetize. You can earn through ad networks, sponsored content, affiliate links, or selling your own products. The more traffic and engagement you have, the higher your earning potential. Experiment with different monetization methods to see what works best for your audience and niche. Automation is the secret sauce of passive income. Use tools and software to handle repetitive tasks like email marketing, order fulfillment, or content scheduling. The more you automate, the less hands-on work you need to do. This frees up your time to focus on growth or start new projects. Keep track of your income, expenses, and growth. Use spreadsheets or financial apps to monitor your streams. Regularly review your performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Tracking helps you spot trends, fix problems early, and stay motivated as you see your progress over time. As your passive income grows, reinvest some of your profits into new opportunities. This could mean buying more stocks, expanding your digital assets, or outsourcing tasks to free up your time. Reinvesting accelerates your growth and helps you build multiple streams for greater security. Every journey has setbacks. Maybe a product flops, an investment loses value, or a platform changes its rules. Don't get discouraged. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your approach, and keep moving forward. Resilience is a key trait of successful passive income builders. Once your first stream is stable, look for ways to scale. This could mean creating more products, investing in additional properties, or growing your audience. Scaling increases your income and reduces your reliance on any single stream. Diversification is key to long-term success. As your income grows, consider outsourcing tasks that take up your time, like customer service, content creation, or technical support. Delegating frees you to focus on strategy and growth. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr make it easy to find skilled freelancers for almost any task. Don't forget the legal and tax side of passive income. Register your business if needed. Keep accurate records and consult a tax professional to optimize your returns. Different streams have different tax implications, so it's important to stay informed and compliant. As your wealth grows, protect your assets with insurance, legal structures, and strong passwords for digital accounts. Consider forming an LLC or using trusts for real estate. Asset protection ensures your hard work isn't undone by unexpected events. The world of passive income is always evolving. Stay updated on new opportunities, platforms, and regulations. Join online communities, follow industry news, and keep learning. Being proactive helps you adapt quickly and stay ahead of the curve. Connect with other passive income builders. Networking can lead to new ideas, partnerships, and support. Attend events, join forums, or participate in mastermind groups. Collaboration often leads to faster growth and more opportunities. Watch out for common mistakes like spreading yourself too thin, chasing trends without research, or neglecting legal requirements. Stay focused, do your homework, and build a strong foundation before scaling up. Learning from others' mistakes can save you time and money. Let's look at a real-world example. Jane started with zero experience and created an online course about graphic design. She spent a few months building the course, then launched it on a popular platform. Within a year, her course generated steady monthly income, allowing her to reinvest in new courses and grow her brand. Her story shows that anyone can succeed with the right approach and persistence. Mike saved for several years and bought his first rental property. He managed it himself at first, learning the ropes and building equity. Over time, he hired a property manager and used rental income to buy additional properties. Now, his real estate portfolio provides a reliable, passive income, giving him more freedom and security. Sarah started a blog about healthy living. She wrote helpful articles, built an email list, and recommended products she genuinely used. Over time, her audience grew, and affiliate commissions became a steady source of income. Her journey highlights the power of authenticity and audience trust in building passive income online. Every passive income stream has its risks: market changes, platform policies, or economic downturns. Balance risk by diversifying your streams and not putting all your eggs in one basket. Assess your risk tolerance and make informed decisions to protect your income. Compounding is your best friend in passive income. Reinvesting your earnings leads to exponential growth over time. Whether it's dividends, rental income, or digital sales, the more you reinvest, the faster your wealth grows. Start early and let compounding work its magic. Building passive income takes time and persistence. Stay motivated by tracking your progress, celebrating small wins, and connecting with others on the same path. Remember your why, whether it's freedom, security, or more time for what you love. Motivation keeps you moving forward, even when progress feels slow. Regularly review your passive income streams. What's working? What needs improvement? Adjust your strategies, try new approaches, and don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't delivering results. Flexibility is key to long-term success in the ever-changing world of passive income. Don't forget to celebrate your milestones, your first sale, your first $100, or your first fully automated stream. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and reminds you how far you've come. Every step forward is a win on your passive income journey. Think long-term. Passive income isn't about quick wins, it's about building lasting wealth and freedom. Set a vision for where you want to be in 5 or 10 years. Use your current efforts as building blocks for a more secure and flexible future. Once you've built your own passive income streams, consider teaching others. Sharing your knowledge not only helps others succeed, but can also open new opportunities for you, like coaching, courses, or partnerships. The passive income community thrives on collaboration and support. Markets, technology, and platforms change. Stay adaptable and open to new ideas. If one stream slows down, look for emerging opportunities. Flexibility and willingness to learn are essential traits for long-term passive income success. To sum up, building passive income from scratch is possible for anyone willing to learn, take action, and stay persistent. Start small, focus on one stream, and grow from there. Use setbacks as learning experiences, and celebrate your progress. The journey may take time, but the rewards, freedom, security, and peace of mind are well worth it. Now it's your turn. Take the first step today. Research, brainstorm, or start building your first passive income stream. Remember, every big success starts with a single action. Stay consistent, keep learning, and enjoy the journey toward financial freedom. Your future self will thank you.